Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Right now we are hitting the sun-drenched shores of Miami Beach for the ultimate 2026 summer walking tour. The energy out here is absolutely incredible. The sun is shining and the beach fashion is on a whole new level today. You are going to see some of the most stunning swimwear and vibrant summer trends on the planet. Before we dive into the paradise vibes, do me a huge favor, smash that like button right now and hit subscribe so you never miss our epic beach walks around the world. All right, it's time. Sit back, relax, kick those feet up, and make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because the views only get better and better. Let's get walking, let's go!